While I was testing games with this old PC, I've created a video about it. I realized I do not have enough space for games. I previously used this 2TB Seagate WD Black P10, caught my eye, and I'm taking this opportunity to show it to you also. We'll see if it's any good. I've tested speed with this one, Backup Plus portable drive, 2TB from Seagate, and this is Lassier, I don't know how it's called. It's still from Seagate. This is a different Seagate brand. Both have similar speed. It's about 130 megabytes per second. We have this plastic casserole. Information about the disk, VD blah blah, black, sorry, yeah. And one cable is USB-B and USB-A. Unfortunately, it doesn't have USB-C, but for that I have this small guy from iTech, which should be okay if I want to connect it to my MacBook. It's a metal case here, and this part is plastic, and it has 4 screws here, so this means I will be able to open it up and show it to you. Yeah, so you see, this disk is taller. For sure it won't fit anywhere. At least it won't fit in a notebook or something. It's 4TB WD-40N MZW from Western Digital. Internal use HDD, special format. The cable doesn't have any writings on it. Some cables have, for example this one from Seagate, USB 3.0 cable. The only thing we have to do now is just do speed test. I will use Mac Mini M1 for that. In their defense is written up to 130, so up to doesn't mean it's always 130. Let's see if on MacBook is different story. Because this 16-inch MacBook Pro doesn't have USB-A, I will use this. It's untouched, it's exactly the same like it was on the Mac Mini. I'm just selecting it and do the speed test, which is not very different. Let's see if with different cable you have higher speeds. With different cable it's exactly the same situation. I do not see any speed difference, so it's not the cable is okay. That concludes our speed test. Oops. Be careful when moving it around. I just did it before, I don't know, rotated like this and it got disconnected. Yeah, again, it got disconnected. I'm trying exactly the same thing with Lassier. So yeah, this is spinning disk. It has moving components. You should not move it that fast when it's working. However, in comparison, this one doesn't get disconnected, so probably the disk is better. I've tested the same situation with this Seagate Backup Plus portable drive, and it simply doesn't care if you move it like this. So this one, it seems, is very sensitive to movement. Yeah, even if you are gently moving it, you will get disconnect. Just for you to know, WD Black, do not move it around, look what happens. Of course it's spinning disk, it has moving parts inside, but still should not be that sensitive. We'll see if it's reliable in time. Anyway, you should not count on any disk if the data is sensitive. You should do backup. Backup is very important. I usually do backup to backup, maybe I'm crazy, but with this one it's not that important. I will be using it just for Steam games. If this disk will be gone, the only downside will be I will have to re-download again the games, so won't be any data loss. Okay, so you have seen how it looks inside, you have seen what is in the box, how sensitive it is to movement. So thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.